get some perspective how low the lagoon water level is. This is usually all underwater. Caught many fish right in that cut there. So this is how low it is. Absolutely crazy. This little piece is totally separated now. Probably about 110 pounders in there. Wow. Crazy. Here's the sea sun docks. Got lots of fish here. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Crazy. Unbelievable. Like a desert. Show you a little something, something. A lot of fish caught here. Oh my gosh. Right over here. This is where those big red-eared perch spawn on these rocks. Caught bass up there in those trees. Wow, crazy. This one's pretty good. Used to pull my boat right up into here before they decimated all these cattails. This used to be a huge swath of them. I'd pull that boat right up in here and there's all these perch and bass and carp, like a freeway up here. Crazy.